Hey there, Shalka, everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today, we're going to be talking about the future of NFTs. One, what is NFTs? And really, is it just a digital art that I can copy and paste somewhere else and make more money from? And the future and where the money is being moved towards. It's very important. You guys need to understand this, think about this. Let's get this video started. If you already know what NFTs are, fantastic. Where is NFTs going? So this digital format of a ledgered digital asset, their majority of it is moving towards utilities outside of the concept of it just being an artwork. Okay, art is obviously one use case, and it proves art. For example, how do you know the Leonardo da Vinci's or I don't even know Picasso's painting that you see everywhere is real? What if somebody has the original somewhere else and somebody just made this into a copy, and this is the copy is in the museum to protect it, right? So the concept of how do you know something is real? Every single artwork in the digital world has an identifier, and that identifier is what blockchain and crypto brings, and that's what makes it NFT. That's the token aspect of it, and you can always tell which one's the real one, which one's the fake one, because the real one has that one code. Simple, right? Now, what's happening with the future of this? The real use cases of this is when it comes to identifying legal documentations. There's a lot of third world countries that have lost their legal documentations due to corruption or due to natural disasters, and because of that, some people had to be dealt with injustly, or some people didn't get their justice. But when you put every single legal document in a closed off ledger, which only X people with the key can access, and all those digital assets are in that key, no one can destroy that. That document lives on for 1,000,000 years after this, as long as the world stays for 1,000,000 years. The way the world's working seems like Akhira is very close. but it's protected, and everybody who needs to have access to it can have access to it. So legal documentations are being developed into NFTs. Big events have NFT-based tickets. So your tickets is linked to your wallet. Your wallet is what gets you access into these events, so people can't sell on the black market. See, people are doing good work with NFTs and crypto stuff too. It's not all black market stuff. It's actually protecting from the black market actions, or people buy tickets for cheap and then resell them. That's illegal with certain events and stuff. So it's helping out with that. It's helping with the concept of identifying who is who when it comes to major purchases. So, for example, you are the NFT holder of this specific physical asset. Let's just imagine this glass is $1 million glass, but it's linked to an NFT, and because you hold the NFT, you own this glass. And if you want to sell the glass, because it's a high valuable glass, and the ownership of the certificate of ownership in paper might not be doing justice to it, you sell the NFT forward, and that person now owns the glass. And so this is something that's very interesting. There's operational flaws in this. As I can tell you, for example, let's say this is a luxury item, and I own it right now because I bought the NFT, the initial sale of it, but somebody else buys the next NFT. I gotta send this to the next person. But what if I don't want to? The other person technically owns it. It's his asset. Legally, he owns it. And I should send it to him. But let's just say there's operational flaws in here. So concepts like that, right? So they're fixing it. Obviously, there's actions being taken in regards to fixing this and proper structure of how we can do this. For example, 1 second, just for everybody. For the channel, you gotta like, come on, you gotta share, you gotta subscribe. You've been watching these videos, you gotta do all this stuff. I'm teaching you how to make that mashallah money. Inshallah, you make that mashallah money, and may bless you and your family and bring barakah in it. Let's make that mashallah money together. Like, share, subscribe. As soon as somebody buys this on the NFT, there's a direct fee that goes towards also a Web 3.0 based logistics company, which is actually, think about this. All the logistics companies out there, think about this, and then that logistic company is owned, held accountable for making sure things are sent across on the ledger, so you can prove that, oh, this logistic company came, touched this glass, took it there, then shipped it out, and stuff like that. So there's a lot of work being done in that process. Another thing is concept of having audio or video on the blockchain. This is important, okay? And hear me out here. This is important because there's a lot of forced deletions on social media to push a certain narrative. I agree that there needs to be some type of control under freedom of speech, but we shouldn't allow all openness. Like we shouldn't allow like full control of freedom of speech, because then it destroys the potential of truth. And when you destroy the potential of truth, then you're in chaos. What is a society when there's no potential of truth, right? So videos, you can there's certain metaverses or certain projects that are developing right now that allows you to deploy audio and visual on a NFT as an NFT. Cool, right? So that's it. Just wanted to share that with you guys. If people who have questions on NFTs, put them in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to know more about. And as always, keep me in your duas, like, share, subscribe, check out my other social medias. Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care.